presenting the Ford 2019 F-150 Lariat. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels, tires, front all-season and tires, rear all-season. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.